Hello friends, greetings from Brad Eye Center, Ludhiana. I am Dr. Sudeep Brad, ophthalmologist. Today I will be touching upon a very relevant topic. As you all know, we are living today in unprecedented times. The corona pandemic has caused widespread anguish amongst the global population. This topic that I am going to speak upon today is a kind of a new habit that all of us should kind of inculcate in our daily activity. Have you ever noticed how many times do you touch your face in a day? To be fair, research shows that the number is about 20 to 25 times an hour. It's an impulsive nature of all human beings to touch their facial area during regulating emotions, during stress, or during stimulating memory. So today I would like to raise awareness about this area of your face, that is the T-zone, your two eyes, your nasal area and your mouth. These are the areas which have an internal membrane called the mucous membrane that is present all over the body. However, during these corona times, these mucous membranes are the entry points for the coronavirus or other viruses and bacteria in the environment. Hence, it is very important to educate our listeners about the value of this T-zone area. Besides the T-zone quotient, it is imperative to practice the other regular safety measures. One is washing your hands regularly for a minimum time of 20 seconds and also using hand sanitizers regularly. Secondly, always wear a mask at all times, especially in crowded areas, and more importantly, maintain a distance of about 2 meters from your next person. While wearing your mask, it's very important to touch the mask from the sides and not the frontal area of the mask. The question arises, how do we break this habit, as it is an imperative nature of human beings to touch their T-zone area. Now I'm going to share some tips as to how to avoid touching it. First is keep your hands folded or your fingers crossed when you're sitting idle. If you are under a stressful situation, use a stress buster ball when you're sitting idle or in a stressful period of time. Thirdly, avoid touching your face with your dirty fingers or hands. Preferably touch it after washing your hands or using a clean handkerchief or a tissue paper. Let's spread the word about the T-zone quotient and help it reducing the spread of COVID-19 virus. Thank you.